Welcome to Whirlpool's 10-second fix-it videos, where sometimes all you need is 10 seconds to get you up and running again. You can accidentally put your built-in refrigerator into demo mode by leaning on your control panel. Only touch your control panel when adjusting the controls. Click here to get out of demo mode. Are your dishes not drying? Here's a 10-second fix. Check to see if your dishwasher control panel has the heated dry option turned off. If it's off, turn it on to heat dry your dishes. If you own a high-efficiency washing machine, use only HE detergent and follow the recommended amount on the manufacturer's label. Regular detergent will cause errors and too many suds. You can save energy and reduce the time it takes to dry your dishes by using Rinse Aid. Rinse Aid makes water fall off your dishes, reduces drying time, and prevents water spots. Make sure your Rinse Aid cap is securely locked into the dispenser by lining up the arrow in the lock position. Make sure the cap is secure before you close the door on your dishwasher. If your washing machine is banging or walking, you might have an unbalanced load. Stop the cycle, redistribute the load, and resume the cycle. If your detergent is not dissolving in your dishwasher dispenser, you may be blocking the door from opening. Make sure you don't load objects in front of the door to prevent it from opening.
Is your dishwasher noisy? It may have been installed without the sound dampening blanket or not installed correctly. Inspect the dampening blanket on the unit and make sure it's hooked to the dishwasher and not scrunched at the top. If your refrigerator or freezer is getting moisture inside, you might not have a good seal. Here's a quick fix. Clean off the gaskets sealing the doors and make sure objects don't block the doors. Is your washing machine not filling properly? Here's a quick fix. Check to make sure that your drain hose is not too far into the drain pipe. If it is, it will siphon water out of your machine while it's trying to fill. It only needs to be inserted about 7 inches to prevent siphoning. One common error people make is connecting the washing machine fill hoses in reverse. Make certain you are connecting the cold hose and the hot hose to the correct water lines.